Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Riley. I just wanted to talk to you about your first challenge, which is a daily station model. But first, since it's the first time we're talking since we left school, just wanted to give you a brief overview of how I rearranged Schoology. So you can see right here on your screen you have the Earth Science reference tables. If you don't have a paper version, they're there electronically. I put all of our past folders in this content section, so if you have to look back at any stuff, it's all right there. And then for everything, now that we're closed, you can find it in this closure activity folder. So we have a calendar here, which is just an outline for you. You don't have to follow it exactly, but if you want a little bit of structure, this could be something you follow. Today is Thursday, so you can see challenge number 1, which is a daily challenge. You can do that and get 10 points each day. And then each day you'll see I have the 5-point regions questions, which some of you have already done, which is great. But they will just help refresh your earth science knowledge. Make sure you have your reference table, okay? Otherwise, those questions will be a little hard. Point system breakdowns there if you want to know how to earn some good points here while you're out. And then all of our challenge information's here. So today is Thursday. You can see there's the assignment for challenge 1 and the Regents review question. So give those a try, but I'm going to focus on our challenge today, which you can download right here. So heading to Notability, we can check out our first challenge of our station model. And at the top here, it gives you directions. So we're going to look for all of these variables on our weather app. Could be any weather app, although we do use Weather Underground. And then we're going to plot it down here. So today it's about 11:30 a.m. On March 19th. We're going to head to our app and fill in our data. So I head to Weather Underground here. Currently it's about 44 degrees Fahrenheit with a dew point of 42, and it is cloudy. So we'll say our temp is 44, our dew point's 42, and our cloud cover, since it's cloudy, that would say overcast, so 100% cloud cover. So I hope you're making a connection right now. When our temperature and dew point are very close together, we tend to see cloudy skies because our humidity is very high. Remember, if temp and dew point were equal, we would assume 100% relative humidity, or our air is filled with water vapor. Next up's pressure. Just want to highlight here, it's in millibars. So when we head to our weather app, you'll notice that the pressure is in inches of mercury. So we have to go to our reference table right now on page 13 and convert the 30.21 inches to millibars. So let's head there. On reference table page 13, 30.21 is right here. So when we slide over, you get 1023.0 millibars. Okay, so we'll put that in our, oops, sorry about that. Put that right here, 1023.0. And then all we have left is wind speed and wind direction, which we'll get from our app. So it looks like 7 miles per hour from the east-southeast. We'll just go with southeast. That should be fine. So 7 miles per hour from the southeast. And now we're ready to put all this data on a station model. So let me just remind you that on your reference table, at the bottom here, I'll erase what I have already going on. At the bottom is your station model explanation. So I'm going to zoom right in here. And really, there's a lot more on this than what I'm asking you to do in this challenge. All I'm asking you in the challenge to do is your temp, your dew point, your pressure, your wind direction and speed, and then, of course, your cloud cover. Okay? So we're going to stick all this in. Remember, no symbols and no units. Let's head back there. So temperature goes top left, dew point goes bottom left. Cloud cover is in the center of this circle here. You're just going to shade the percentage that you wrote down. Since 100% is completely shaded. Our pressure, remember, we have to put in station model code. So that's our pressure, 1023.0. What we do is we take the last 3 digits and eliminate the decimal. So what I put on the station model is 230. And then wind directions coming from the southeast, which is this way. 7 miles per hour now would only be a half feather. Let me just head back to the reference table to clarify this. Remember, your whole feathers are worth 10, which is this guy. Your half feathers are worth 5, which is that guy. There are no feathers worth 1. So if you have 7, you're just going to put the lower end, so 5 on there. And the half feather always goes kind of further down on your wind direction. So here's our completed model for today, or at least mine is. Your information could be different, which is perfectly acceptable. And you need to submit this to challenge 1. Okay? Hope you're all doing well. Hope to see you soon. Bye.